Hello, I'm in a 2010 Land Rover LR2, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil level. So first open the hood, and then here's your dipstick. With the motor off, you pull this out, and then I'd wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then stick it all the way back in. And then pull it right back out. And then now on the end here, you can see these like kind of grid marks. The grid on the left's full, and then towards the right's low. So you want it pretty close to the one on the left. If it's not, you want to add some. So we'll stick this back in. A little easier with two hands. There we go. Now with the motor still off, this is where you would add your new oil to. So make sure you're using the proper type of oil, as well as the same synthetic conventionally you've been using, and brand if you can. Better not to mix and match. But you'll just unscrew this. And then straight from your quart jug or with the funnel, just add as needed. Screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And then I would start the motor for 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then repeat the process we did in the beginning with this dipstick just to see if we're at full now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of your regular oil changes, which depending on motor age, mileage, type of oil, things like that, might anywhere between 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so between oil changes, which typically due to that, you put the vehicle on a slight lift. You can get underneath to the oil pan, pull the oil plug to drain all the old oil out, replace filters, screw it back in nice and tight, and then add all the oil recommended for your particular motor for an oil change. Screw it on tight again, and then start the motor again for like 5 seconds or so to circulate that new oil. Turn it off, and then repeat the process again with this dipstick to see if we're full. But all that said, I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.